Good afternoon, dear students. This is your moral science period. Open your lesson third. Control your anger. In our previous class, we read the first part of our story that there were two brothers, Sunil and Anil. Anil was the younger brother of Sunil, and Sunil was very angry boy. And what did he do? We will see in our story. He wished he had not been so bad tempered. सुनील ने क्या महसूस किया कि मुझे इतना गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए था. His teacher had seen what had happened. His teacher had seen. As they walked into the class, she asked Sunil why he hit the boy. Ma'am asked to Sunil, why did you hit the boy? Sunil said timidly with downcast eyes, I was angry. Timidly and downcast eyes, आँखें नीची कर शर्म से बोला. Yes, I can see that, said the teacher. But you were not angry with this boy. Ma'am asked Sunil, you were not angry with that boy. Then what happened with you? Why did you push him down then? Sunil told his teacher what had happened the previous evening. Okay, previous evening, when his brother had broken his star. You know, it was not done purposely. Purposely means intentionally. Am I right, Sunil? Asked the teacher. Yes, but when I get angry, I cannot think straight, said Sunil. Sunil said, Ma'am, when I became angry, I cannot think anything in my mind. Is it bad to be angry, teacher? Then he was asking the question to ma'am. Ma'am, is it bad? Is it a bad habit to become angry? No, said the teacher. We all feel anger just as we feel happiness, excitement and have other feelings. Then teacher said, no, these are the feelings of our nature. Excitement, happiness, angry, everything, and have other feelings. But anger can make you do things that you feel sorry for later. But anger is a very bad thing. How can I prevent that? Asked Sunil. How can I prevent that? Prevent means रोकना. How can I check my anger? Whenever you feel anger, drink a glass of cold water and count 1 to 100. Ma'am told to him, if you are feeling angry, then you have to drink a glass of cold water and count 1 to 100. Or move out of the place for some time without reacting. And you should leave the room. You should leave the room. You can meditate to control your anger, explained the teacher. You can also do meditation to control your anger. Thank you, teacher, said Sunil. Children, you should also try to keep your anger in control. Means you should also control on your anger. Don't be angry. Tick the most suitable title for this story, Sunil and his anger, or Sunil repents his anger. So we will write Sunil and his anger. And what is the moral of the story? We should not be angry with anyone, and we have to control on our anger. We have to control on our anger.